Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want customers to find answers without submitting a ticket? Let me show you how to enable self-service support in Zendesk. First, activate your Help Center. Go to Admin Center and make sure it's turned on. This gives you a customizable customer portal. Next, build your knowledge base. Create articles covering your most common questions. Start with at least 10 articles for a solid foundation. Now, set customer access. Choose Open so anyone can view and submit requests, or Restricted if you want to control who can reach you. For faster answers, enable AnswerBot. It automatically replies to tickets with links to relevant Help Center articles before an agent gets involved. You can also activate your community. Let customers help each other by asking and answering questions in a public forum. And that's it. With a Help Center, knowledge base, and community, customers can solve their own issues instantly. If you set up self-service support, let me know what your top article is in the comments. See you in the next one.